Welcome to the journey of universe. Today's episode is about black hole. First of all, subscribe this channel for latest episodes and be a part of it. In this episode, I will talking about black hole types, layers, and its amazing facts. So watch this episode till the end. I assure you, after watching this episode, you learn something new about black holes. So without waste of time, let it start. Universe is filled with many mysterious things, and black hole is one of them. Black holes are strangest and most mysterious objects in outer space. They're extremely dense, and their gravitational attraction is so much strong. If you want to know how a black hole is formed, then you can check episode 1. Now continue with its types. Black holes are of 4 types. Stellar black holes, miniature black holes, supermassive black holes, and intermediate black holes. Black holes, those are formed by collapse of individual stars, and those that are relatively small and incredibly dense. That black holes are known as stellar black holes. Size of stellar black holes are 3 times more than our Sun. Number 2. Miniature black hole. Miniature black holes are those that are smaller or tiny than a stellar black hole, but larger than neutron star. Number 3. Supermassive black hole. A supermassive black hole is the most largest black hole. Its mass is equal 100,000 to billions times the mass of our Sun. Suppose if we combine hundreds of stellar black holes, then a supermassive black hole is formed. Such type of black holes are available at the center of every galaxy. It is also exist in Milky Way. Number 4. Intermediate black holes. Intermediate black holes are those whose size is less than supermassive black holes, but more than stellar black holes. Sagittarius A is the closest black hole in our Milky Way. It is a supermassive black hole. Let's talking about its layers. Black holes having 6 layers. Acceleration disk, innermost stable orbit, relativistic jet, photon sphere, event horizon, and singularity. Acceleration disk. Material such as gas, dust, and other stellar objects that has come close to a black hole, but not quite fallen into it. It forms a flattened band of spinning matter around the event horizon. We call it accretion disk. Innermost stable orbit. It is the inner edge of acceleration disk, and it is last layer in which material can orbit without the risk of falling into it. Relativistic jets. Black holes accelerate a beam of ionized matter. Speed of this beam is close to the speed of light. It is mostly observed in the center of the black hole. Photon sphere. It is an area where gravity is so strong. Event horizon. The event horizon of the black hole is a boundary around the black hole. Once a particle crosses the event horizon, it cannot leave. Gravity is constant across the event horizon. The event horizon is just the beginning of the black hole. It is not the core of the black hole. Singularity is the core of black hole. All the matter and energy that fall into the black holes ends up here. It is still a mystery for us. After this, many questions arises in our mind. Let's see few facts of black hole. Number 1. Black holes do not suck. Some people thinking Black holes are cosmic vacuums that suck in the space around them. But reality is different. In fact, black holes are like other objects that exist in outer space. Just it having very strong gravitational field. Suppose if we replace the Sun with a black hole of the equal mass, then Earth would not get sucked in. Except this, it would continue orbiting the black hole as it orbits the Sun. Number 2. Time is working differently in black hole. Greatest scientist Albert Einstein says that the faster you move, the slower time passes for you. When you will reach the event horizon, then you will traveling more than speed of light, because black hole produce strong gravitational force, and then time will slow down. Suppose a girl staying on Earth and her dad traveling outer space at the speed of light. When her dad will comes back, then she would elderly than her dad. Number 3. Anything can become a black hole. Black holes can keep growing because anything that enters the event horizon gets sucked in. No matter it is gas, liquid, or in solid form. Thus, black holes can grow infinitely large, and they are known as supermassive black holes. Number 4. Center is so dense. The only difference between a black hole and our Sun is that the center of a black hole is made of extremely dense material, which gives the black hole a strong gravitational field. It's that gravitational field that can trap everything, including light. That's why we can't see black holes. Number 5. Can we make a black hole? If something travels faster than light, then it can become black hole. Unfortunately, there is no such thing known to mankind, so right now, we can't make a black hole. Number 6. Quantum law is working in black hole. Black holes eventually shrink down to the smaller size. At this stage, it reaches a size which is known as Planck length. If a human is dropped in a black hole, then that person reached its death point, because whatever part of the person's body enters the event horizon that are dropped too fast, as compared to the speed of the remaining body parts, this will lead to stretching and then death. Number 7. What happens if stars contact with black hole? Star orbit around the black hole and starting going one layer to another, and it continue doing so even after its death. This means it keeps spinning even when they become black hole. Number 8. Black holes are only dangerous if you get too close. In future, when technology will so advance, then students are going to outer space for observing black hole. It is okay to observe a black hole if you stay away from its event horizon. Event horizon is so dangerous, but you can safely observe the black hole from outside of this arena. This is the reason why black holes are unable to eat everything that exists in our entire universe. For observing black hole, you just need to remember physics rules and stay away from its event horizon. Number 9. You can't directly see a black hole. Black hole is pure black color, and light is also gone when it is contact with black hole. It is impossible for us to sense the hole directly through our instruments, no matter what kind of electromagnetic radiation you are using. It is visible when a star is contact with black hole. Stars spinning around the black hole, and its light that is outside the event horizon will seen and we analyze the black hole. Number 10. Black holes evaporate over time. Stephen Hawking theorized that even black holes emit something, and they emit radiation. This radiation is emitted by the mass of the black holes. According to Hawking, black holes keep losing their mass in form of radiations, and eventually they evaporate. These are few facts of black hole. Write your favorite fact in comment section.
Hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, hit like and comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for next episodes.